Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know what the reason. Thank God they make me glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them.
Hello vlog world. As you can see, it's a new day, it's a new vlog. We just continue from where they Big's over there, Bourbon over there, and Nice over there. Right now we just gonna get some food. Me get 2 festival, 2 bammy, cause me I go steam some salmon. Me I go jerk some salmon and just consume it with this. Everybody else get food. This one I get jerk foot, jerk pigtail. Him get hog foot.
Jerk foot.
Where you get? Kirk what?
But me I have to pay for me, so I jerk someone.
No, it don't work so. No thank you, no sing so.
I just want to do it for free. Thank you, man.
It's never gonna happen.
Jerks are tomorrow, nice.
You know him.
Jerks are tomorrow.
Alright, so them are go do jerk tomorrow. Nice boy might pay me for do jerk salmon. That's out of the pictures. That's ridiculous. He would even ask, you know what I mean? Yo, me a bun up right now. Me a bun up. Alright, so we are about to head back to the house, so me a link them. Bro, so me get jerk salmon with 2 bammy and 2 festival, you know what I mean? Yo, me now go like when I'm sick. Too much thing I go on downstairs, so me in my room. I hide and I consume food. Case of salmon I make, you know? Jerk salmon as me tell you, Six festival. Wonderful. Festival bad. Salmon again, wait I'm ready. Sweet to God, Dr. 6. I don't know who eat bammy from who eat bammy, but bammy this. It's hot though, so I have to take my time. The bammy down 6 the festival. This bad. And then with the jerk salmon. See steam come out for that. I enjoy my food. And then come back. Right now I'm sick. Me allow the phone, so when I saw me not hold the phone, but up it in. So vlog world right now with the year back on the road again. We're about to bring Bourbon go airport.
Ghana now.
Yeah. Bourbon come, Bourbon match up the place.
Why if you coming?
Yeah, bun up. Man, I'm look on girls, big do it. Bourbon do it, nice do it. Yeah. I wasn't doing it. Nice, look at them kids there. Look at them kids there. Alright, may I tell you something about them kids after?
Turn right.
Shut up, bro. Yeah, we are about to drop Bourbon go airport right now, cause Bourbon forward. Bourbon deal with some I am do the song for Chabas. How we song you do with
Fame and
Fortune? Simon, well then you know about them song they hit. Them song they no drop so. And him do a song, me and him have a song where we gonna drop that soon too. So a whole heap of things in there, a whole heap of work. Him have a whole heap of singles for Chabas, a whole heap of singles for Lujan. So I just we pick the time now and just shoot the video them and do them and drop them and send them a road. But Bourbon Beats is back in him city later, back in him town. You know what I mean? Yo, nice. You could come out and take out the man's suitcase for him. Yeah, move so. Yo, this a shake up so dog. You don't feel like oil?
Right.
The ground.
Plane them a take off dogs.
Look so. Look like big old land and house the man having a dog.
Every dog we carry them a dog. Show me the teeth.
When they reach up, tell me if your teeth now. Oh, sorry.
I'm Black Pearl. I eat that. A 6.
6. Guidance. Safe flight, you're nice. Sit down in the car, nice, could even come out. Asleep nice, asleep in there. No? Nice, he say hot. And them time there, brother. It's hot. Nice, say hot. Nice out of the hot, nice people. Get up. You know, your brother, what they hot. I mean, not about eat that hot, me talk about hot. We in a Negril, I consume some food. Man said they want some pasta, so I bring some pasta come for them. Big's right there, nice right there. And you have Sean all the way from New York in the building. You know what I mean? Him flying for chug it. Same day for the weekend and all of them something nice. Have bully for $1 bill. We're going to the strip club. We're going to the strip club tonight. Me now go nice, I go so me actually sick, nice sick, so we just gonna buy some pasta. What kind of pasta you buy, Big?
Jerk shrimp.
Big's buy jerk shrimp pasta. When he done that, he have to wash his hand, he have to bathe, he have to do everything you take before we go 10. You must should even drive in the car go. Where you get?
Jerk shrimp pasta.
Jerk shrimp? Man, you're wicked to me. Right now, I'm tired, I da drink some rum because I da try sweat out the flu. But me actually drunk. So me a link on the back. Today is actually nice, earth strong. Blessings and respect for your earth strong brother. You know what I mean? I'm upstairs right now. I don't know him up there though. But me I go about for bake a cake for him earth strong. Him say he want a pineapple upside down cake. So I go deal with that right now. Chefing. Me have everything right here. So I go supermarket early this morning. And yeah, me I go just bring it up on a journey and show them how to do it also. So yeah, pineapple upside down cake. Bad move. So first thing first, we need eggs. We need like probably 4 to 5 eggs. Five eggs look good enough. I need like 2 cups of water, good. And then we need oil. This amount of oil good, you know what I mean? We don't need nothing more than that now. All we do, just mix in this. Alright, once this mix in now, we get the cake mix. For this, we just going to use yellow cake mix. Them sell the original cake mix for make the pineapple cake, but I couldn't find that. I never did. I go search on the whole place, so I'm going to use this. Yo, I love smell of cake mix, smell it just smells sweet. Mix it out, mix it out, mix it out. And for the amount of egg and water and all of them something that we put in it, I do all of that. I do the amount of egg there and the water aisle because a 2 cake mix me and make together. If I do 1 cake mix, I need only 3 egg, 1 cup of water. But you 2 of them I do. I mean, it's more mixture. The food so we need to move the part. So all me I do now I just mixing everything, just mixing everything until it's nice and smooth. Every twist I want it. You know what I mean? You see it's just nice and so right now we're gonna do the caramel. This I forgot on the top of the cake. Well, yeah. And all you need to make this is butter and sugar. Now that's where butter melt out. We just add black sugar to it, brown sugar, and just turn the fire down. You have to keep on stirring it, you can't really stop.
And we get tough. Remember your fire to the pan low.
It look like caramel now. Alright, yes, when the caramel a bubble like this, I say you know it done. And you definitely want to do this in a non-stick pot. Because all of the butter and sugar, it a go burn. So you don't want to do this in a non-stick pot. You want to do this in a non-stick pot because yeah, you definitely can see it a go burn. We have our baking sheet already ready. So we have to line it first with parchment paper. You just gotta add your caramel to this. Make sure you spread out the caramel evenly. With pineapple, we're just going to lay our pineapple them down.
That's already. We can lay them up. You can put them to whatever you want them. And then for the side, you can just break piece of pineapple, put this up. You can make piece of pineapple through this up.
We have this. Now, you have to add your cherry. So you just basically add your cherry them and then make like pineapple.
Or whatever like pineapple you want to add it. Your cherry smell good.
Alright, we don't need no more than this now. So far it's supposed to look like this. Understand? Then we just get the mixture and basically pour over that. And just, you know, and that's it. Only thing now, I will just put this in the oven. We done preheat the oven to 350 already. So, yeah. All we have to do now is wait. So right now, you don't know, so you have to test it. And when it come up dry, that means it's done. So right about now you don't know, so we're there, and as me tell you know, a nice birthday, a nice restaurant, and we'll be a cake for him for you. So the cake done, you know what I mean? You don't have to go so fast, show the cake man. Yes, nice and scrumptious. But you know upside down cake, so we have to flip it for to see what the cake really look like. I mean, just like that, neat and nice. Come on here, come on in, come on in, come on in. Let me show them what's going on.
Look at that beauty right there. That beauty right there. Hey, oh, the apples, that beauty. Oh my god, the pineapples and the cherries. Oh, the cherries. Look at that steam. Look at that steam.
Word up. Steam will come off, you know, you're going to make it cool down a little bit more. Yeah man, see the pineapple cake. Birthday guy, right now, you sweat. The man has sweat in your heart. Yeah, the oven don't know though, so you're good. I go finish consume rum.
Real Madrid and Atletico Madrid draw.
Real Madrid, Atletico Madrid, Sean in our building. You know what I mean? Big Sally way over there, so we can't even see him nice. Just don't block him. Man, I look for you going. If you do the man out there, I look for you going. Nice, go get ready, my youth. You know Chabasa forward. So nice about for cutting cake right now. It's actually 2 o'clock in the morning. We just come from Chugget, still have some minutes right there. Over there we have Biggs right there, Frost out. And over here we have Solar in the building,
Frost out.
real producer. You know what I mean? Nice. Come we sing happy birthday tonight. Put in it knife in there, no? Happy birthday. Jesus Christ, in cutty. My youth, you're so full, dog.
Oh yeah, that's clear, right?
Mind the man I'll cut through the pineapple.
Come on, bro.
Get one plate out this one.
I'm gonna shake that, bro. My cake.
Yeah, Billy
Do
deal.
anything more.
Yeah.
Try to me in the morning.
Yes, baby. That's what pays in your book. Yo, nice niche figure. Cake cutting school.
We skip one kind of mix in high school.
Yo, wait, I'm going to my plate.
No, it's okay.
I don't eat the cake, you know. I don't eat no more because egg in it. I don't eat egg. Oh, no, nice. You make it for. You have to taste it while I make it see. Open that tasty fork in there, so everything there, man. A wild side, you know, government, 6. Next one, jar. My youth, you can't find it. Yo, look at the cake, look nice and moist. Nice and moist. Nice and moist. The cake nice and moist. Yeah. Yo, nice fried, you know. Too much Hennessy, man. Right now, I'm about to drink off this and go to my bed. You know what I mean? Yo, these guys have a flight 7 o'clock in the morning. And it's 2 o'clock right now. Nice, verdict. Verdict.
No, I'm stuck.
Verdict, what you say?
No. That fuck,
What you say, what go on? Talk to them now, cake or deal it. Eh? Cake bad.
Nice.
Fat end over there, so big.
What?
Yeah. Yo, nice. You even tell him on the fat end there. Oh, nice. Nice, really loving cake. Yeah, nice, yeah. What's that nice, yeah? Yo, a knife, you look for my knife, the right as well. When you drink too much Hennessy, yo, when I miss on the flight, dog.
I cut this, dog.
You mean you cut this?
So?
Yeah?
Straight up.
Yeah? If you not go to school to learn how to cut cake, dog.
The cake cool, dog.
Then the cake fix, you should in the fridge right now. Watch out, people. Watch out, the big can cut cake. Watch out.
Yo, first nigga.
Watch out. The man ain't shake too much energy and turn full. Look at the man, battle. Come back, watch out. He might come finish pretty up, you know. After he done mash it up and start, that's how big cake. Solar cake there, you know. Pineapple cake.
Yeah. Boss.
Nice, you know, NSC busting in now, right, people? So right now we have Solar up next. Yeah, you know I made it with love. You know what I mean? Play the writer, so one only take out this with me, but you know what I mean? Let me tell you the ingredients only if you not consume egg.
No, man, we're good now.
Alright, so you're good there. But Jesus! This a brother is a dangerous brother, you know? But Jesus!
Oh.
Nice! Yeah, go for it.
Mash up that.
Yes, well, I have it taste and give me a verdict in a cause.
See that.
Yes. Yes.
Bad,
Yes. Yes.
Cooler man.
Cooler man. Right. Big's verdict. 6.
Fast.
Yeah. Nice. Done in a 0.6 seconds. Good nice plate over there, some G's. Good nice plate.
Yeah, bro.
Good nice plate.
Show you how serious it is, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Show you how serious
you mean,
it
man,
is,
you
bro.
mean, that's how we do it in Solar. And you can cut off and bring her your yard to, you know.
Yeah, just take that.
We are talking about man Solar.
Man.
6. I just little bit of NC. So there now, NC attack, so I just want done the flag writer so I don't mess up and say nothing what I have to say. Because NC attack, as I tell you, being so they are doing just fought from Chuggit, Shabba Shelly place. So blessings and respect against to my G's. Go out your flag, yeah. Namaros, up it.
Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know the reason. Thank God they make me glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more